In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then all services, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally tap on any password you have in your manager. Enter your screen lock, hit edit button and just change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!